Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss sample question papers that are being asked in IMO and the different sections that are there in that question paper. So we will be discussing a simple sample question paper that will contain uh, the questions for mathematics. So all the different sections in which you have logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning, then you have achiever section. So all the different types of questions that are being asked. So we will be discussing class by class. So in this video we will check what are the different types of questions that are being asked, and then I will leave it to you how you are going to solve. So again, before going for the examination, you must have an idea that what is the complexity of the question that are being asked. So let us start the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. We have already uploaded the latest date sheet and syllabus for the exam. So now we will be discussing the types of questions that are being asked in the exam. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss sample questions for class 4th. So you can see, as you know, that in our earlier video we have already discussed the syllabus. So based upon that, what are the different sections? So you can see the logical reason section. So first is the number pattern. So this is a sample question that is being asked for the number pattern. So you can see that pattern, and based upon that you have multiple choice questions. So based upon that, you just need to select which one is the correct answer. Again, this is for class 4. So class 4 students, they can just check which option is better by just calculating the series, what is the changes that are being done based upon which the next number is coming. Similarly, the second question, there are 4 figures out of which 3 are same in some way while 1 is different from the rest. So again, pattern matching, in which you have to just check which is similar, and then again this is logical reasoning, so you have to check why the 3 are same and 1 is different. Then again, count the number of straight lines in the given figure. So again, you will be able to differentiate what is a straight line, what is a curved line. So again, this is another type of questions. So I am just telling the different types of questions that are being asked. Again, code decode. So you just need to practice on code decode. So this is a sample question for code decode. So like these are the different types of questions that are being asked in logical reasoning. And if I talk about the mathematical reasoning, so you can see, so the questions based upon the clock, then how many vertices does the pyramid have, then there are dash tens in 36520. So these type of questions, and again many more questions, but these are the sample questions that are being asked. And final, the difficult section is your achiever section. If you get good marks in the achiever section, you are definitely going to score other because the merit is very high and within one question. So if you are able to achieve good in achiever section, your merit will be better than others. So you can see the questions that are being asked, like there is a figure and we have P, then Q, then R, and they are just asking that what will be the result of P minus Q plus R divided by S. So basically this is basically a sample question paper for class 4. You just need to prepare for your exam similar to this. So in our next video, we will be discussing for some different subject, different class. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.